Here I have a purple leaf peach tree. I don't know what variety it is. It's actually a seedling, but I don't know which variety it came from. If you guys know any variety with purple leaves, let me know, that way I can identify it. Here it is, the purple leaf peach. I have another one I'll show you in a minute. I think they're both from the same parent tree. Let's go see that one. Here it is. This is the other one, so hopefully I'm able to identify it. Hopefully it produces fruit, because I like the color of it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, as I will be updating you on these plants and other plants in my garden. Thank you for watching.